Hey there, fellow hustlers. Today I'm diving into the hottest opportunities in the make money online space. If you're ready to redefine your game and explore lucrative ventures, you're in the right place. Stick with me till the end, because I've got 3 game-changing ideas for solo ads, vendors, and entrepreneurs like you. Now, let's talk about the bread and butter solo ads. If you're like me, navigating the solo ads space, you know it's booming. With businesses and entrepreneurs constantly on the lookout for quality traffic, solo ads are the VIP tickets. Position yourself as the go-to person for targeted, high-converting leads and watch your business soar. But let's not stop there. As a solo ads vendor, you're plugged into the pulse of online business. Ever thought about creating automated income streams? Picture this: your own digital product or course on mastering solo ads. Leverage your expertise to help others while generating passive income. The digital world is hungry for valuable content, and you've got the key. Now let's add a personal touch. Ever considered a boutique consultancy? As a solo ads entrepreneur, you've gathered insights, strategies, and tactics. Offer one-on-one consultations, sharing your knowledge to help others skyrocket their online ventures. Your personalized touch sets you apart in an industry that sometimes feels too automated. So, which resonates with you? Solo ads dominance, automated income streams, or the boutique consultancy? Drop your choice in the comments. I want to hear from you. And if you're hungry for more insights, hit subscribe, because I'm serving up daily bite-sized wisdom for entrepreneurs like you. As a fellow solo ads warrior, remember, the online world is your playground and success is just a strategic move away. Let's conquer it together. Until next time, keep hustling, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers to your success. And by the way, if you're ready to skyrocket your solo ads game, grab my exclusive guide, Solo Ads Bossiness Blueprint. It's on the house. Check the link in the description. Go get aim, champ.